Cookie pie.
Yeah, you eating a cookie bar? You eating a breakfast?
Yeah. Mommy's hungry.
Yeah.
Oh no!
Oh no!
Pancakes.
Kicks? Are you eating kicks with a spoon?
Yeah.
Yeah? You're gonna show me how you eat your kicks with a spoon?
Yeah.
And you playing?
Cookie bar.
Yummy cookie bar. It's a Nutri-Grain bar, huh?
Go car.
Go, kick kicks. Show me how you eat with your spoon. You wanna show me? You gonna eat your kicks out of your bowl?
No kicks. No kicks.
No kicks?
Mama.
Baby. Oh, no mess. Show me how you were doing in your bowl. Oh, you got one. There we go. No. Show me how you were doing it in your bowl. Yeah. On your spoon. Can you show me how you're putting them on your spoon? Yeah. And eating them with your spoon? Yeah. Yeah, you like eating from a bowl with your spoon in the morning. Like a big boy now, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. What's that?
Milk.
Milk, that's right. You got Libby's top by mistake, huh?
Baby.
Libby. Cousin, that's right.
Did it. Mama. Did it. Mama.
I love you, baby.
Baby.
Libby. We miss Libby, huh?
Miss Libby.
Yeah, we miss Libby.
Thanks.
We love our cousins, huh?
Thanks.
Cousins.
Baby.
Libby. Libby makes you laugh, huh? What are you thinking about?
Choo-choo.
Choo-choo. It's raining today. It's a rainy day, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's raining. You're pointing out the window.
No.
Window. Are you all done with your breakfast?
Yeah. See.
You see rain?
Yeah.
Yeah. You hear the birdies?
It's.
Oh, we heard the choo-choo, didn't we? We heard the choo-choo pass by, didn't we? You ready to get down?
Yeah.
Okay. I love you. I love you, little baby.